Even if you were to finish all of that, and that's still like years and years and years of work, you're still building on top of OpenAI. You're still building on top of ChatGPT. Eventually, people are going to want to build their own LLMs from the ground up, right? Like you're going to want to say, I'm going to start from scratch and build my own LLM. I don't want to use OpenAI anymore. I want to train my own from day one, document one. Trust me, that's going to happen. Look, I love this question. I'm probably spending too much time on it, but I'm going to give you guys a play out of my own playbook that I use with my clients, okay? So this is what I tell my clients. When somebody asks me to look at their LLM, and I get that request a lot, do you guys know the first question that I ask? I get on their LLM, and I immediately type in, who owns the New York Yankees? That's my first prompt to every single LLM I use. Because if I'm sitting in the middle of a banking floor, like in New York, and I'm at a bank, and they're telling me that they're deploying this LLM to help them with, problem XYZ, I sit down and I say, who owns the New York Yankees? Because if you're really writing something custom for yourself that you want to use and improve on, your LLM shouldn't know that answer. That means you've just built on top of public LLMs, right? You've built on top of like the ChatGPT or Claude or whatever interface. That's going to change. I want to get to the, we will get to the point where I can sit in front of an LLM, or you can sit in front of an LLM, and somebody will tell you it's an LLM for a medical company, let's say, or for a hospital.